Yo, what's up ladies and gents? Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And in today's video, me and Paige are here at the Red River Gorge. We're doing a little bit of hiking, probably about 6 hikes or more. And we're gonna do the underground kayaking that I did with my sister a year or so back. I think the first thing we're gonna do this morning is head to a coffee shop. And then we're going to the SUP Kentucky, which is the underground kayaking. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a really awesome day. We're gonna record along the way and just see, what all we get into. But hopefully y'all do enjoy. This is day 1 of Red River Gorge. See y'all there.
What's your name?
Paige.
Alright, Paige, you can use my shoulder in that bar there. Balance feeling okay to you, Paige? Alright, now put you in here.
Alright.
What's your name?
Chase.
Chase?
Yep.
Alright, Chase, you can use my shoulder if you need it, man.
Gotcha.
Take your time.
Alright.
Alright, balance feeling pretty good?
Oh yeah.
You guys ready?
Yep. Alrighty.
I'll get you guys turned around here and we'll be ready to go.
Gotcha. You ready? You ready? You excited? Alright. You can turn your light back on. Pretty bright. Yep. Let's try to get next to Paige.
Our best to take good care of them since we put them down here. Try to make sure that they're well fed. So we pour them in the water, so we do have to feed them. And we do that with roughly 70 pounds of food per week. In 4 feedings, 3 at 20 pounds apiece, and 1 feeding at 10 pounds, just to supplement.
You having fun? Nice. Wow. Huh? Cold? Okay, we just made it to the lodge. What do we do to the lodge? Make sure I lock my car. So, kind of got to figure out like where to go because we're off of the trail.
We walk past the lodge.
Yeah.
And we go straight, and at some point we're gonna hit it.
Yeah, we gotta walk past the lodge if you can see, and then the trail actually intersects with this lodge. So here we go.
See, I can trust the bridge.
Do you know what all trails we're hitting today?
I know we're doing Natural Bridge.
The Natural Bridge, that's the one we're on now.
Then we're going through not a tunnel.
Not a tunnel.
That's
It
not
is
a hike.
it is a tunnel, but it's called not a tunnel.
Maybe hit Sky Bridge today, but I think that was a tomorrow thing.
Yeah. Ah,
Germany's
shoot. Yeah, right.
Chase.
What? I got to go. I am gonna use the drone.
Chase.
What?
There's a big sign that says don't use the drone.
Bro, they need a billboard. We almost went the wrong way already, also.
Yeah.
We did. We were gonna check out a different trail. It was Balanced Rock and Natural Bridge, but we then read the sign that said past Balanced Rock was closed. So, good thing we looked at that. But no guys, literally, we have done nothing so far but go upstairs. But hey, the way back down is gonna be incredible.
I know.
Oh, look at this. Look at the chairs. Look at those logs.
We should make some of those
Yeah?
at home.
Let's do it. Heck yeah. Paige the photographer over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's got an awesome shot of a squirrel. Heck yeah. Good job. So I believe the elevation gain on this hike, like we've literally just been going up hill for 20 minutes now. The elevation gain on this hike is 150 feet. So yeah, it's just uphill the entire time. We're gonna be wore out, but we're gonna have to get over it because we got other hikes to do today. We'll make it, we'll make it.
Nuh-uh.
She's saying no. Alrighty, we are probably about halfway there. Don't you think?
I hope.
You hope. Check it out, guys. I'm pretty sure. Yep, that's it. See it off in the distance through the fog. So literally, Natural Bridge. Getting really, really close, guys. Heck yeah. So, fun fact about the Red River Gorge. They call it Red River. Paige, you know this fact?
Mm-hmm.
You want to tell the people?
Not really.
Okay, I'll tell the people. So, they call it the Red River because once rainfall comes, it washes mud and clay, aka red clay, into the river, creating a red looking water. The north end, of course, of the river is normally really clear. Further down you go into Red River Gorge, the redder the water gets. So yeah, that's your fun fact for today's video.
Check that out.
Just think about it, downhill is gonna be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it. I think Paige has discovered that we can get up top. This thing is huge. Alright, here we go. This is a fat man squeeze? We got that for real.
Lord have mercy! My feet are wet!
We weren't really expecting this part of the hike. We're pretty wedged in here. We are on top of Natural Bridge. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Gosh, that is so cool. Check these chairs out, guys. I'm gonna show you guys real quick this view where we hiked from. So we started out way down there. Here's the lodge. And we've hiked, you know, through this, over that bridge, Natural Bridge. Okay, me and Paige are now leaving the Natural Bridge overlook and headed back to the parking lot of the lodge. It's kind of muddy. Watch out for that. I probably won't record a whole lot unless we see something really cool. But yeah, hope you all have enjoyed the video so far. What did you think about the hike so far, Paige?
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been great. Lots of stairs,
Yeah, dude.
but it's worth it.
So many stairs, but going back down is going to be really nice.
Oh yeah.
Hope you all have enjoyed the video so far. I'll catch you guys wherever we pick it back up. Hey, meow. No, he hissed. You mind? Hey. We found this cool cat here at the lodge. He hissed as soon as we got here. Yeah, you like that, Billy Wood? To be a cat living on a bench.
Straight.
Yeah. Now we're headed to not a tunnel. It is a tunnel, guys, but it's called not a tunnel. Yeah. So I'll show you guys that as soon as we get there. It's nothing to really get out and look at if you just drive through it. But you guys will understand once we get there. Like, it's kind of cool. All right, guys, here we go.
Holy crap! That's insane.
My lights haven't turned on. My car's probably like, where'd the daylight go? Whoa. Holy crap. How close are these sides?
Pretty bad.
Right.
I think you can see it.
Can you?
I think so.
That'd be sick. Okay, so me and Paige, while we were on the scenic loop road for the Red River Gorge, we actually seen one of the hikes we were going to do.
Seen like almost all the hikes.
Yeah.
We were gonna do.
We seen some of like Chimney Top from the road, and one of these hikes that we were going to do this morning, which we actually like weren't going to do, we passed it, so we were like, holy crap, let's check it out. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to Sky Bridge, and you can kind of see, look at these nice views. Yeah.
My hair's a mess.
Nuh-uh.
Does it kind of look isolated?
For real, me and Paige are on top of Sky Bridge right now. Okay, me and Paige have made it
Under the sky bridge.
under the Sky Bridge. Check that out. Really cool looking. Yeah, we're here underneath the arch, getting ready to hike back up to get back to the parking lot. But yeah, we're gonna stop here, take a photo or two real quick, and then we'll head back into the parking lot. Look at those stairs. It's fine. We got that for real. I mean, we ought to. After the hike we just got off of.
For real, that's nothing.
Yeah. That's light work. Stairway to parking lot.
Leave me alone. Chase, get out of here.
Bless her. Nah, guys, she has asthma. Welcome to day 2. Paige has decided to give LA a try.
It's smoky.
Yeah? Give it a try, girl. You don't like it?
No.
Let me try it.
It tastes like cough syrup.
That one does taste like cough syrup a little bit. What's it taste like?
Sprite.
Alright, at least you give it a try. I'll give her that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we made it to the coffee shop. And we just spotted
And Daniel Boone.
Daniel Boone. Look guys, it's a Daniel Page. We're out of the coffee shop
In the rain.
and in the pouring rain. Okay.
X
Alright.
band,
It's so cold.
K band,
Yeah.
KA band, laser, GPS connected.
It's gonna be a good day.
Food was good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
It's always good. I love that place.
Yeah, it's a good coffee shop. Daniel Boone coffee shop. We left the coffee shop. We're now on a hike to Copperas Falls.
It's currently raining.
Yeah,
It's picking up a little.
pretty muddy.
At least you hear it.
Yep. Alright guys. We can hear the falls. We've just about made it. Yep. A couple more feet or so and we'll be right on its doorstep. Wow. Dude, the fog is crazy. You can barely see the falls in this corner.
Really?
Yeah. We did it.
We did it. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, how about you say we were underneath the falls now? Cold water?
A little. Look at that.
Big spot. Okay. Me and Paige. Alright, me and Paige are done at Copperas Falls. We're about to head out to the parking lot. So we've got like, I don't know how far of a walk.
Like a mile and a half.
Yeah. So,
Give or take, probably give.
yeah. So we get to the parking lot and then, I don't know what we're doing after that, but we'll see. But anyway, Copperas Falls is cool. We'll see you later. Okay. So we finished hiking Copperas Falls. It rained on us on the way out just a little bit. But we stopped at the bathroom and we drove to another hike. So we're now at Whistling Arch. So what are we about to go check out this arch for real?
Much shorter than Copperas.
Yeah, much shorter. This is quarter mile. All right, we are here at Whistling Arch. Coming up on it right now. I can see it through the trees.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh wow. Huh. So it's like a really, really narrow arch. Chase really wants to go up there. You want to go up too? Okay. Here comes some of Chase's rock climbing skills. Okay. Heck yeah. All right. We did it. I don't think I want you to do that.
I don't think I want to do it either.
Okay. All right. Now I gotta get up here. Yeah?
Huh?
I said I'm determined to be to the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful, please.
Yep. Here we go. Check out this view. Paige will be upset if she doesn't climb up here to see this. So I'm gonna show her how to get up. Okay, somehow she got up here by herself. I don't know how she did that. I told you you'd be really upset if you didn't see this. Tell me you wouldn't be.
That's crazy.
That is super crazy. This view is crazy. Alright, ladies and gents, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you all did enjoy our trip here to the Red River Gorge. We had a 2-day trip. Went pretty well. I don't know what all we did. Do you remember everything we did?
We did SUP Kentucky.
Yep, SUP Kentucky, UnderGround kayak.
We hiked Natural Bridge.
Yep.
And Laurel Ridge.
Yep.
And then we hiked Sky Bridge.
Sky Bridge, Natural
Went through
Bridge.
Not a Tunnel.
We already said Natural Bridge, not a tunnel.
Went through Not a Tunnel.
Yep.
And then we done the scenic loop. And then today we done Copperas Falls.
Yep, Copperas Falls. That's probably the longest one we've been on so far.
It was like a little over 3 miles.
Yep.
And then today we did Whistling Arch.
Whistling Arch.
Yeah.
Yep. And I think that's probably the last one we're gonna do. We were gonna hit Angel Windows in the video with that, but it's getting dark, sun setting, and we have a 2-hour drive ahead of us after we eat. So I think it's time to cut this video short. But overall, pretty good trip. Little nice mini vacay.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. We hit that up for real. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.